All right, guys, we're back. We're going to try a pair of needle nose vice grips here and see if we can use those to roll our copper out a little bit. There we go. That's what we wanted right there. And keep in mind, we're kind of trying to make a spoon shape. Kind of like that right there. Okay. Now, we're going to put that in a vise and work on it a little bit. Make sure you guys can see here. All right. I'm going to put that in a vise. And guys, if you don't have a good vise, get you one. They are so helpful for so many things. Okay, so we got that. I want to try to straighten this out a little bit, kind of like that. Okay. We're going to massage it just a little bit. There we go. All right, now, see what we got here. All right, so now we have this shape, which is getting us close, okay? So now what we need to do is put a little reverse bend on this for part 2 of making this an actual spoon, okay? So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take try to get our pliers just, you guys probably can't see that. I'm going to try to do this left-handed. All right, so we're going to get our pliers right here, okay? And we're going to try to put a nice even bend right here. And I'll show you why here in just a second. All right, now. All right, so this is the shape that I was kind of going for, okay, more or less. Probably need to take and flatten that out just a hair more. A little bit of work with the hammer. There we go. Okay, now, so what we need now is a handle. I had this old scraper laying around. So what we're going to do, we're going to pull the razor blade out of this thing. Be careful not to drop your screw like I just did. All right, we're going to put this in here. Like so. All right, now I think what we need to do is trim this just a little bit so it'll fit in our clamp. So we're just going to take our snips here and where we've made this flat, okay, we're just going to take and trim just a little bit off of that. Okay. Just a little bit more. About the width of a razor blade. That's kind of what we're going for. And then we're going to feed our flat part into here. Tighten her up. And guys, we have a welding spoon. Like I said, it may take a little bit more beating and banging. I may, the nice thing about this is you can adjust it for whatever you're doing. So if I want to put some bends in this or what have you, it'll hold up for quite a while. So now we have our spoon that we can use when we can reach around. Let me back you guys up here a little bit. So now if we are doing our welding and we need to reach around behind like a fender, we can do that. Or we have this one. We're going to put a magnet on each side, hold it to our hole, and I'll show you guys how it worked later. Wish me luck. Hey y'all, take care.